Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Copilot formula in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So simply go to the home tab and click on the Copilot option and you can see here the right hand side the Copilot is showing. Okay, so now just type your the question. Okay, just type your request. Okay, so I just enter here the one prompt. So I already added in Notepad. So I just add up the cells in column H. Okay, so I just copy and paste here. So add up the cells in column H. Column H here indicate the total price. Okay, so you can see that this is a column H and just click on this and wait for the few seconds. Okay, the Copilot will generate your formula and it's done. And here you can see your formula is ready. Just simply click on the copy. Okay, and paste here. So I just select this cell and press Ctrl V and you can see the paste your formula. If you want to copy, simply select the entire column and you can here the sum 722.63 as same as. Okay, just drag below and you can see the some suggested question also showing here. Just click on this refresh. Okay, refresh and you can see the question also change. Again I click on the refresh, see the more suggested question you can check here. Just click on the refresh. Okay, so and the second prompt I just add here the count how many orders are above 500. I just copy this same as I enter here and click on. Okay, wait for the few seconds again and it's done. And you can see the orders above 500, the formula is here. Okay, so I just copy this formula. Okay, and just paste here. I just remove first and paste here Control V and you can see the order above 500 is 0. Okay, because amount is so small. Suppose I change here the amount, I enter here 50, I remove this 0 and just press the enter and see any order above 50. 8 order is available above 50. So you can see the formula is totally ready here. Okay, and here again you can check the suggested question. If you want to ask, simply click on the question. Now I just open the notepad again and copy this third prompt. Okay, give me all data in horizontal format. I just copy this and paste here and let's see on the spend. You can see the Copilot generate the formula to display all your data in horizontal format, the transpose rows column. You can use the transpose function and here your formula also ready. And just simply copy and select your cell and paste Control V and your data in horizontal format. You can see these are the columns. I just highlight and show you this is a horizontal format your data. So here you can see this is a way you can easily convert your data in horizontal by using the one formula through the Copilot. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.